In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for students. All you need to do is to click on the Premium tab that's located at the bottom right. Then just go ahead, scroll down. You can see here the different plans. You can see that there is duo and family plans. At the bottom, there is the student premium plan. So you have a discount for eligible students and you can cancel anytime. Just click on it and now this page will pop up for you basically to verify your identity. Just click on next and then this page will open up for you. You can fill out your information, personal information, country, first name, last name, date of birth, and after you're done just click on verify my student status, and after that you can go ahead, let them verify your student eligibility, and then just go ahead pay for the fee that's included. So this was how to get a Spotify Premium for students. As always, thank you for watching.